Welcome once again. Let us solve 15 raised to the power of 2 minus y raised to the power of 2 equals 9. Find y. Okay, so it is quite easy. So we have a solution, all right? So we have to square both sides. So we have 15 raised to the power of 2 minus y to the power of 2 all squared equals 9. So the first thing you do is to square both sides. So you put this in bracket, raised to the power of 2, and this raised to the power of 2. So this square will cancel this square. So we have 15 to the power of 2 minus y to the power of 2 equals 9 to the power of 2. So the next step is to simplify this. So 15 times 15 is 225 minus y to the power of 2 equals 9 times 9 is 81. So we collect like terms. So this 81 will move to the left-hand side. It becomes 225 minus 81 equals minus y will move to the right-hand side. So we have plus y raised to the power of 2. So 225 minus 81 is 144 equals y to the power of 2. So we now square both sides. So we have y to the power of 2 all squared equals 144 squared. So this square will cancel this square. Therefore, y equals, what is the square root of 144, which is 12. Therefore, y equals plus or minus 12. And this is the final answer. Please consider subscribing to the channel, like the video, and share the video as well. Thank you very much.